Bench has a 4-foot long surface, which has made it widely used in the automotive industry because a user can go safely from one end of the bench to the other. This has made it sought out by paintless dent repair, graphic application, detailing. It has been a wonderful solution for the automotive industry. Although Kwik Bench was designed for commercial use, seeing the way that it is so easily adaptable for home use, for hobby use. It's great to have around the house for decorating seasonally, reaching high spots, those cabinets that you only get into a few times a year. And I believe that it is untapped. We don't fully know yet all of the industries that can take advantage of this design. So let me ask you a question. Where do you need Kwik Bench? Do you need it at your job? Do you need it in your home? Do you need it for your hobby? Where is Kwik Bench going to be the solution for you?